Και κύριε, ένας, πώς τον λένε αυτόν,
Nigel Farage,
ο Βρετανός Ευρωβουλευτής, ακούστε τι είπε στον Πρωθυπουργό μας, τον Αντώνη τον Σαμαρά. Απολαύστε, καθίστε πίσω, πάρτε popcorn και θα το απολαύσετε.
Well, I must congratulate you, Mr. Samaras, for getting the Greek presidency off to such a cracking start. Your overnight successful negotiation in the trialogue on MiFID, I'm sure, will have them dancing in the streets of Athens. No matter that your country, very poorly advised by Goldman Sachs, joined a currency that it was never suited to. No matter that 30% are unemployed, that 60% of youth are unemployed, that a neo-Nazi party is on the march, that there was a terrorist attack on the German embassy. No, don't worry about all that, because the trialogue on MiFID has been a success. And in many ways, it sums up the two Europes. The Europe that's talked about in here by the dreamers who want to impose a new United States of Europe with an identity and a currency, and the real world out there. And you come here, Mr. Samaras, and you tell us that you represent the sovereign will of the Greek people. Well, I'm sorry, but you're not in charge of Greece. And I suggest you rename and rebrand your party. It's called New Democracy. I suggest you call it No Democracy. Because Greece is now under foreign control. You can't make any decisions. You've been bailed out and you've surrendered democracy, the thing your country invented in the first place. And you can't admit that joining the euro was a mistake, because of course Mr. Papandreou did that, didn't he? He even said there should be a referendum in Greece. And within 48 hours, the unholy trinity that now run this European Union had him removed and replaced by an ex-Goldman Sachs employee puppet. We are run now by big business, big banks, and in the shape of Mr. Barroso, big bureaucrats. And actually, that's what these European elections are really going to be all about. It's going to be a battle of national democracy versus EU state bureaucracy. Whatever you may say in this chamber, the people out there don't want a United States of Europe. They want a Europe of sovereign states trading and working together. And I believe the European elections are going to mark a watershed.
Το πήραμε το μήνυμα, κυρίες και κύριοι. Έτσι μίλησε αυτός ο άνθρωπος, έτσι τόλμησε να μιλήσει αυτός ο άνθρωπος στην Πρωθυπουργάρα μας, τον Αντώνη τον Σαμαρά. Γι' αυτό λοιπόν, πολύ σωστά, ο Ευαγγελάτος, ο Νίκος Ευαγγελάτος, έγινε έξω φρενών.
Εμένα αυτό που με εκνευρίζει πραγματικά είναι η ηρωνία του, ο χλευασμός του. Εμένα μου σπάσει τα νεύρα, όπως θα σπάσει και εσένα.
Έλα, τώρα, εντάξει,
για να το πω διαφορετικά, θα μπορούσα να αντιδράσω και βία. Αυτό τον τύπο
είναι τετράγωνο, Νικό.
Τον πλακώναμε στο ξύλο, ευχαρίστω. Μου σπάσει τα νεύρα.
Είμαστε μάγοι σε αυτή τη χώρα. Ουσιαστικά αυτό που του είπε ο άνθρωπος αυτός είναι ό,τι λέει εδώ η αντιπολίτευση. Ό,τι λένε εδώ όσοι διαφωνούν με την κυβέρνηση στα πάνελ των διαφορών δημοσιογραφικών εκπομπών. Ό,τι λένε οι δημοσιογράφοι.
Ό,τι λέει και ο ίδιος
ο Ευαγγελάτος. Αλλά μόνο εμείς έχουμε δικαίωμα να τη λέμε στον Πρωθυπουργό μας.